Today this is a DIY with You Do It. We're working on building a shed in the backyard, and I have stakes that I put in the ground with rebar, but it's dangerous, so I'm going to cap them with 4x4. So I have my Craftsman calculator. This thing is awesome, I think. I bought this back when I was taking a construction class way back in, I don't know, 2003 or something. This, I'm going to use this now to calculate the rise and run. So I'm going to make sure I keep this in focus. So keep it right here. So we put in 207 inches. That's along the house. And we put in inch. And then we hit rise. And then we put in 320 inch. And that'll be our run. And then we hit diagonal. And it comes out with 381 1/8 of an inch. Dude, this is awesome stuff. All from trigonometry. Alright, so this is where our pin is going to be. And then I'll paint that so I know where it is. I like this tape measure here, this Kobalt that I have, because it has a loop on the end that fits right over 1/2 inch rebar. Okay, so now we're 320 inches. What's 320? So I'm going to convert 320 inches to feet. 26.8 inches. And all I'm doing here is getting this so that we can have the shed parallel to the house. 26.8 is right here. Okay, 26.8. And then we want to go 381. Now I'm going to get you right here. Right over top what I'm doing. Right here. And now if I measure from these two, that should be 207 inches. So I got 17 feet, 3 inches. So 17 feet, 3 inches to feet to inches. 207. Look at that. We measured exactly 207. Boy! Yo, that is tight. Okay, so I have my circular saw that I'm going to use. I'm just going to cut off like a 6-inch section or so. Alright, so I got the depth of the saw set. I'm just guessing how much I'm cutting. Not bad. I'll take that. Alright, so now I got my two boards. Alright, so I got my Bosch bit set here. I'll go with a 9/16. Here's 9/16. Yeah, 9/16 looks like it's it. Alright, so now I want to drill this into the top of this piece. This, again, it's just going to sit. So I'll go down like maybe that far. This should just pull right in and start cutting it. Lots of torque. Okay, now I'll reverse it. Try to reverse it without destroying myself. Oh boy. It is really oh wow, this thing has a lot of torque. Oh boy. Oh, we gotta set the clutch. Oh, too much. This bit is legit stuck in there. Legit. Alright, I need to clamp this down. I think I'll need my impact driver for this. Okay, so then wow, it took all that. Now that it's spinning, I should be able to break it free. Wow. See? So now, lesson learned, I gotta drill it just a little bit. Now let's see if this fits. Perfect, it fits. Alright, so this is our safety block because I don't have any rebar caps. So the purpose of this is you got your rebar in the ground, and if you fall on it, you'd hit. So this will be like a little cap that, I mean, you can still get hurt, but at least chances of you getting impaled are a lot lower. All right, so then we'll drill through here. See how much juice we got in here. And we'll drill just a little bit. Then we'll reverse. Okay, you can hear the battery is dying. I put it through a lot of stress there. Okay, go through. Now the battery's dying because I did not charge it ahead of time. Oh, there we go. Okay, battery died. Alright, so now we'll swap it out. So remove the battery. Okay, now I'll charge this battery. Now I'll use this one. Okay, a little bit easier when you remove the chips. Okay, that's all we needed. Alright, so now we'll get our camera over here. Alright, so this is our little protector thingy. There you go. So that will still hurt if I hit that, but chances of me getting impaled are a lot lower. There you go. That's our protector so we don't get impaled.